Good afternoon, class. Please stand. Miss Cassandra, can you lead the prayer?
So guys, are you ready to pray?
Yes, we are.
And the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Do not forgive us,
Please remain standing because we will have an energizer. Okay, that's all. Okay, please be seated. So before we proceed to our lesson proper, allow me to read our classroom rules. Can you help me? Okay. Sa tanan niyo.
So, classroom rules. Interact kindly, participate actively, keep the classroom clean and organized, respect everyone.
Okay, so before we proceed to our next lesson, let us review first about the lesson that we discussed yesterday. So I have a question here. Can you please read and answer the question? Please. What is self-service includes service?
So, self-service is when customers get their own.
Another question. You can read and answer. Ms. Alcantara.
What is table service in food service lines?
Table service is when customers are seated and served food by waiters or servers at their table. Okay, class. What do waiters do before serving food? Anyone? Miss Perino?
Before serving food, waiters ensure the dining experience is seamless by checking dish temperatures, redying the appropriate silverware, cleaning previous courses, and ensuring the water glasses and drinkings are tapped.
Okay, very good. We have here a scrambled stacks of table service. So, who can help me arrange it in order? Miss Perino?
The first one is greeting and welcoming the guest. The second one is escorting and seating the guest. The third one is presenting the menu. Fourth is taking the order. Fifth is serving food and beverages. Sixth is presenting the bill. And the last thing is thanking the guests and greeting the rice.
Very good. So, follow-up question, Miss Perino, why is it important to follow the proper sequence of table service?
For me is for to get a higher reviews and get a good satisfaction to the guests.
Very good. Let's proceed to our lesson proper. Our lesson for today is about the sequence of table service. You can help me read. Miss Cassandra?
Sequence of table service. Table service is the step-by-step process used by professionally. Following the correct sequence helps provide good customer service and creates a pleasant dining experience.
Welcoming and greeting the guests. The first step is to welcome the guests warmly. When they arrive at the restaurant, the staff should smile and greet the guests politely and guide them to their table. So before magsulod, dapat may staff gid na bala sa restaurant, may staff gid na nga sa sa door lang nakatambay and sila nag-welcome sa guests. Ang example greeting is, "Good day, welcome to our restaurant." So second, escorting and seating the guests. So before seating the guests, the staff politely escorts or guides them to their table. The server or the host walks slightly ahead and leads the guests in a friendly and respectful manner. So pag welcome mo sa guests, after that, i-escort mo ang guests pakadto sa ilang table. So example statement is, "This way please, your table is ready, ma'am or sir." Third is presenting the menu. So after seating the guests, the server gives them the menu and provide water or drinks if needed. So ang purpose nga ikinanglan gid sang waiter nga or ang staff na i-present ang menu sa guests.
In order to ma'am.
Yes, Ms. Guerino?
So they can choose to their food that they want.
Very good. And they can introduce special dishes for promotion man kung may mga bago silang dishes. So fourth is taking the order. So after mo present ang menu, matake ka sang order. So the server politely asks for the guest's food and drinks orders and write them down carefully. So ang important tips kung mag-take ang order is dapat pamati kamayo. Listen carefully sa guest. Para hindi pala sulit-sulit kag hindi ka makaasala sang order, and be polite. Serving food and drinks. The ordered food and drinks are served to the guests neatly and carefully. So the good service includes serving with a smile, handling plates properly, and checking if guests need anything else. So kinalaman ko to kung may kinanglan kasanda. Pagtapos niya serve some food and drinks. So number 6 is checking customer satisfaction. While guests are eating, the server check if anything is satisfactory. So example question, "Is everything alright with your meal?" Masama ito nga silang gusto nila. And number 7 is presenting the bill. After the guests finish their meal, the server politely prepares and presents the bill. The bill should be clean, accurate, and given in a professional manner, usually inside the bill folder or a tray. Basta may folder na important reminders. Present the bill politely and discreetly. Make sure the bill is correct before giving it. Thank you the guest after payment and return change or receipt promptly if needed. Example statement, "Here is your bill, sir, ma'am. Thank you for dining us." Pero kung magbaton ka mo sang bill, kinanglan liwaton nyo ang nabaton nyo nga bill sa customer para hindi magsala-sala. And lastly, thanking and bidding goodbye to the guests. The final step in table service is thanking the guests and saying goodbye politely. This leaves a good impression and encourage guests to return to the restaurant. So important reminders, smile and thank the guests sincerely. Be polite and friendly. Invite the guests to come again. Assist the guests as they need if needed. So example statements, "Thank you for dining with us. Have a wonderful day. We hope to see you again soon." So that's all, class. I need 2 volunteers to demonstrate the sequence of table service. Two? Yeah.
Only 2, ma'am?
Yes. 2 volunteer. 1 for the guests and 1 para sa waiter. Very good.
Okay?
Go.
Tara! you can ask me if something good that I can recommend. Okay, this one, only this. Okay, I'll get you order. Here's your order. Enjoy your food. Are you done? Anything else would you like to get? Something dessert or something? Alright, okay. How's the food go? It was good. Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. Here's your bill. Thank you so much. Come again.
Okay, very good. So I will give you a short quiz about the sequence of table service. I hope nabalaan niyo naman tanan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can start now.
All done, ma'am?
Very good. Can you pass it?
For all content because I'm new to that.
Thank you, Miss Brino. So for your assignment, you have to act out the sequence of table service with a partner. Recorded din siya. Just like sige ni mo ni Miss Brino and Miss? Yes. So follow the correct step from escorting the guests up to drinking and bidding goodbye. So ang criteria ninyo the class is proper sequence of service, politeness and professionalism, teamwork, and clear communication. So do you have any questions?
None, ma'am.